Thank you! Thank you!
Yeah, she is way smart.
Thank you!
10, 1 years old.
And by can I get in a kiss?
1 year old, and I'm going to get kisses.
Kisses!
Oh.
What happened?
Yay!
She did good today. There was not one tantrum. Amazing.
I love it. Good job.
Over backwards and put her feet up in the air.
I should have played with Nino.
You're gonna
Really tantrum, but I don't know.
So does that.
But there was
He
no
still falls backwards and puts his legs up.
Where's Uncle Bob? Where's Uncle Bob? Look at these. Look at that. He's like stoppers.
Who's over there?
He's funny, that game.
Ah, scared me.
Abby.
Hi, Pumpkin Pie.
Hey,